Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save a Microsoft Excel workbook spreadsheet onto your desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the File tab up in the top left corner of the Excel workbook. Go down and select Save As on the left side here, and then select the Browse button. On the left side, go up underneath this PC and select desktop. And then you can name this file name whatever you want. So just name the workbook if it's not already given a name. And select save. And then once it's done, you can close out of here. And you should see it is on our desktop. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.